Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find cheap flights in Australia for 2024. I will be on website which is called skyscanner.pk. Basically it is an air transport and flights booking website, and make sure you will have logged in, and you will see this type of interface, and you will just from the selected from you will select your city or country, and I want to just book a flight from Sydney, Australia to another city, and I will be just tap like Melbourne, which is in also in Australia city, and I want to move from Sydney to Melbourne, and I will just select the departure date. So this is the red date, means that you have been like flexible cheap rates of flights in Australia, and I will just select it 26, and I want to just come back in like 10 March, and I will just tap on simply apply. So you will just traveler, and you will just select the economy, and you will just also select if you are two-person and if you have any children, so you will just add up from here. Right now I will be just tapping it simply for search, and let's see. So it will be just searching for the cheapest rates of flights. So right now it will be on these dates, it can't find, but you will just change the dates, and it will be just show you the cheap flights right over here. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to find cheap flights in Australia to use this website which is called skyscanner.pk. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.